Now it's time to go further with the next documenting tool known as text. So this is the text tool. You can get it definitely from the pull down menu documenting tool, and you can load this, or otherwise as usual from your toolbox you can double click on this tool to activate and enter in its default setting dialog. So just double click, activate the tool, see the text default settings. Here it's a very simple tool, the way you must have used any text editor earlier like MS Word or any equivalent such editor. So all the things are going to be quite similar, that you have to select some font file with its style and its height and all those things, justification. So not going to be much difficult, but let's try to do this step by step. The text style, this is the first rollout, this is the second rollout, text block formatting, and there's a one more rollout, properties. So we are not interested in properties rollout, we'll just go for the text style option first of all. So I'm expanding this rollout, and you can see Arial is the font type which is already chosen. I'm not changing this. You can definitely change from the drop down, but I'll be keeping this as it is with some particular font script. So it's a Western again no changes. Here the pen number, that is appearance of the font on paper after printing, whether it has to be bold, italic, underline or strike through, that you can decide. Height I'll explain, which is very important. At present, remember it's a 3 mm, but this is on paper after printing. How it will get decided, I'll expand this second rollout, and you check out there are two options, model size and paper size. Whenever you stick to the paper size option, then you make sure that the text height which you provided over here will be on paper how much height after printing. But if you go for the model size, then this is as per the true drawing units. So at present our drawing units are millimeter, so this is as per that. But I will show you the difference of these two on screen. Right now I am going to continue with the paper size, and that too also as it is 3 mm on paper after printing. Now it is supposed to be left justified, center justified, etc. That also will try to work on screen. In the next rollout, text block formatting, there is an anchor point. There are 9 locations of the paragraph or word, character, anything you can consider. So out of that, which point becomes an anchor point? Better explanation again on screen will try to work. And then there are supposed to be other options, that is whether you want to write the text as a horizontal, vertical, whether it should be with a fixed angle, that is irrespective to your mirroring, rotating, it will be always stick to the same angle. Readability, that is no mirroring, after mirroring the text will be readable always. Wrapping the text is restricting the text with a particular paragraph width. So everything will be explained on screen. Opaque and frame option also I'll show you later. Now read the layer name annotation text. Let's say OK for this. Now after saying OK, read the lower left corner of your screen. Draw a fixed width text block or double click for a flexible text block. So flexible width text block. So this is something very important, that is draw a fixed width text block. That means you have to click two opposite corners to restrict your paragraph in a particular width, or otherwise you just double click on that same location where your flexible width, that means the length of the text line will not be restricted. You can use it as per your choice. So let's go for this. You can just now first of all take the targeted area in front of you, and I'll start working with the first option as center justified. So with the center justified, I'm just going to stay over here, and I'm just going to double click. So moment I double click, you can see my text typewriter or typing tool is activated. Now it's written, type text. So you have to keep on typing. For example, living room, and then I'll use a enter to go in the next thing or the next line, and it is 4500 millimeters by 5000 millimeters. And then to finalize the text, simply click outside anywhere. Your text is now written. So please try this much of thing, and then we'll go for in the next clip how we'll see how to improve this for its appearance, or how to edit, how to change the things if it is something is wrong written or typed. A number of things related to this we will study soon.